Okay, moving on up to some aerial items. We're going to try some rockets out for size. New item for the shelf this year is called a 16-ounce rocket. It's 4 pieces by Pyro Demon. New this year, 16-ounce rockets, 4 pieces by Pyro Demon. Okay, next one on your list, number 16, is Jet Streamer rockets. There's 7 pieces in the pack, and we're going to shoot all 7 pieces of world-class Jet Streamer rockets. Okay, number 17 is in new late last year, kind of late in season. It's called Stinger Rockets, 4 pieces by Pyro Junkie. Currently we have a limited supply and gonna get some more here in a couple of weeks hopefully. But Stinger Rockets, 4 pieces by Pyro Junkie. Number 17. Okay, those are rockets. Moving on to the next category, Roman candles. Number 18 is new last year called Beyond the Glory Roman candles. It's a 5-ball and there's 8 pieces in the packet. We're going to shoot all 8. Beyond the Glory by World Class, number 18. Okay, number 19, Break of Dawn candles. For 5 shots, shoot all 4 pieces by window. Number 19, Break of Dawn. Okay, number 20 is Dragon Tails 5-shot from Wyndham, brand new this year, called Dragon Tails, 4 pieces, number 20. I think it was Olden. Okay, number 21, Monster Candles. It's 8-shot. There's 4 to pack. It was a typo from the Monster Company. I don't know, maybe it is. Number 21, Monster Candles from the Monster Company. 8-shot. Okay, number 22 is Neon Tracer Candles from Biggs. Neon Tracer Candles. It has around 200 shots, a bit under 200 neon tracer candles. Okay, number 23, we have red, white, and blue tracer candles by Biggs. Number 23, red, white, and blue tracer candles. A little over 200 shots. That was the red, white, and blue tracer candles. Okay, the next on the list is the reloadable artillery shells. And these come in a box of 6 with tiger tails by Winda. That was absolute power shells with tiger tails. Number 25 is called Chameleons Shells, and they're a ball shell. We'll be doing 6 of those. And that's by Biggs. That was the Chameleons Shells. Number 26. Firearm by Cutting Edge. That was Firearm. Number 27 is Hong Kong Harry by Universal. That was Hong Kong Harry. Number 28 is the Neon Shells by Pyro Junkie, and there is a limited supply of these. Once again, those were the Neon Shells by Pyro Junkie. Number 29 on the list is the Nishiki class, and that's by Raccoon. And these are going to be a limited supply also. Nishiki class by Raccoon.
Those are the Nashiki Blast by Raccoon, brand new this year. Number 30 on your list is Pyro Shells, Black Edition, and that's by Pyro Junkie, and it's also in a limited supply. And that was the Pyro Shell, Black Edition, by Pyro Junkie. Number 31 is the Pyro 5-inch Super Shells by Pyro Junkie. These are also limited. The Pyro 5-inch Super Shells by Pyro Junkie. Number 32 on your list is Pyro Mags with Tail, also by Pyro Junkie. The Pyro Mags with Tail. Number 33 is Supernova 5-inch Canister Shell by Raccoon. And they will be